What is relativism? The term relativism is used with reference to a body of statements or alleged truths about some sort of phenomena. The relativist maintains that these statements are, first, only true or false relative to some further factor or parameter, not explicitly mentioned in the statements themselves. Second, that this parameter is a person or group of people making the judgment, or something corresponding to a group of people such as a culture or a language. And third, there is no objective truth or falsity. That is, no truth or falsity merely concerning the objects involved in the phenomena independently of the subjects making those judgments. Here is an example where relativism is pretty plausible. Consider the comparative merits of the taste of food. Does the issue of whether carrots taste better or worse than cucumbers have an answer? The relativist, with regard to this issue, would say that there is an answer only relative to a particular taster. Carrots may taste better than cucumbers to Mary, whereas cucumbers taste better than carrots to Fred. The relativist would say that there is no further question of who is right. The question whether carrots taste better than cucumbers simpliciter, without further reference to a person who does the tasting, makes no sense. On the relativist view, the judgments of Fred and Mary are misconstrued if they are taken to be opinions about some non-relative truth. Because taste is relative, there should be no room for such a dispute. There are many types of relativism that are more controversial and so more interesting than relativism about the taste of food. Ontological relativists claim that existence is relative. That different languages, cultures, or conceptual schemes recognize different classes of objects and properties, and questions of existence make no sense considered outside of such conceptual schemes. Perhaps the most interesting example is ethical relativism. Ethical relativists claim that judgments of right and wrong are relative to individuals, societies, or cultures. For a detailed discussion on the meaning, nature, and dynamics of ethical relativism, see our video lecture titled, "What is Ethical Relativism?" Refer to the description box below for the YouTube link to this video lecture.